Comparing the top 3 robotic vacuum cleaners, Irobot Roomba S9 Plus, Roborock S8 Pro Ultra, and Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni. Robotic vacuum cleaners have become essential tools for effortless home cleaning, combining cutting-edge technology with convenience. Among the most popular options are the Irobot Roomba S9 Plus, Roborock S8 Pro Ultra, and Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni. In this article, we'll examine their pros and cons to help you choose the perfect robotic vacuum for your needs. Suction power, 40x the suction of the 600 series. Navigation, V-SLAM technology for precise mapping. Smart features, automatic dirt disposal, app control, and Alexa compatibility. Design, D-shaped body for edge cleaning. Battery life, up to 120 minutes. Powerful cleaning, exceptional suction power makes it ideal for carpets and hard floors. Automatic dirt disposal. The clean base automatically empties the dustbin, reducing maintenance. Advanced mapping. Learns your home layout and allows for customizable cleaning schedules. Edge cleaning. D-shaped design effectively cleans corners and edges. Smart integration. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free operation. Expensive. The premium features come with a high price tag. Loud operation, can be noisy during cleaning and when emptying the bin. Large base, the clean base requires significant storage space. Suction power, 6,000 pascals. Navigation, reactive AI 3D and LiDAR navigation. Smart features, self-emptying dock, app control, and voice assistant compatibility. Mopping functionality, Viberize mopping system. Battery life, up to 180 minutes. High suction power, exceptional performance on carpets and hard floors. Advanced navigation, reactive AI 3D avoids obstacles and ensures efficient cleaning paths. Self-maintenance dock, automatically empties, washes the mop, and refills water. Long battery life, ideal for large homes with extended runtime. Multifunctional cleaning, combines vacuuming and mopping for comprehensive cleaning. Pricey, comparable to high-end models like the Roomba S9 Plus. Bulky dock, requires a larger storage area for the docking station. Occasional software glitches. Some users report issues with app connectivity. Suction power, 5,000 pascals. Navigation, True Mapping 2.0 with 3D obstacle avoidance. Smart features, self-cleaning dock, app control, and Eco voice assistant. Mopping functionality, dual spinning mop heads. Battery life, up to 140 minutes. Self-cleaning dock, empties the dustbin, washes mops, and dries them automatically. Comprehensive cleaning, combines powerful vacuuming with dual mop heads for spotless floors. Smart mapping, True Mapping 2.0 ensures precise navigation and efficient cleaning. Voice assistant, Eco Assistant offers hands-free control without needing third-party devices. Quiet operation, quieter than many competitors, even at maximum suction. Expensive. The advanced features come at a premium cost. Smaller dustbin, requires frequent emptying if not using the dock. Limited carpet performance. Mopping feature is less effective on carpets. Irobot Roomba S9 Plus Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni. Comparing the top 3 robotic vacuum cleaners, Irobot Roomba S9 Plus, Roborock S8 Pro Ultra, and Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni. 40x, 600 series baseline, 5,000 pascals vertical bar. Up to 120 minutes, up to 140 minutes. V-SLAM True Mapping 2.0 vertical bar. Automatic dirt disposal, self-cleaning dock. No dual spinning mops vertical bar. Comparing the top 3 robotic vacuum cleaners, Irobot Roomba S9 Plus, Roborock S8 Pro Ultra, and Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni. Each of these robotic vacuum cleaners offers unique advantages depending on your needs and budget. The Irobot Roomba S9 Plus is a top pick for its powerful suction and advanced mapping, making it ideal for deep cleaning and smart home integration. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra stands out with its multifunctional cleaning capabilities and superior battery life, perfect for large homes. Meanwhile, the Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni excels in comprehensive cleaning with its self-cleaning dock and quiet operation. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your priorities. If you value edge cleaning and premium suction, the Roomba S9 Plus is unbeatable. For those seeking an all-in-one vacuum and mop solution, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is a strong contender. And if low noise and self-maintenance are key, the Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni won't disappoint. Thanks for watching.